Alright, so what is market structure? In very simple terms, I would explain market structure as a map of where the prices have been in the past. And you know, what on earth do I mean by a map? Why is market structure a map? Well, just as a map shows how to navigate, for example, a city or, you know, a country, any kind of terrain, market structure shows us how to navigate and understand the market. In order to understand where you need to go and how to get there, it's a very good idea to have a map. And in order to understand where the market is likely to go next, it's also a good idea to have a map of the price, or in other words, market structure. And here, and this is very important, this is a super common, you know, misunderstanding about market structure. Market structure is static while price action is dynamic. So what do I mean by this? Well, I like to explain the difference between market structure and price action by an analogy where you draw a line in sand like this image right here. So just imagine that you are sort of drawing a line here in sand. In this analogy, the market structure would be the line here that is left behind when you use your finger. So for example, the highs right here and the lows right here are all part of the market structure. And this is what I mean when I say that market structure is static. The market structure doesn't actually change. Once the market structure has been built, it will stay there forever. But what about price action, and why is price action dynamic? Well, think about price action as how are you moving your hand? Are you moving your hand fast or slow, in a calm manner or aggressive manner, and so on and so on. So in very simple terms, we can think about price action as how is the price moving right now, while market structure is how has the price moved here in the past. And the cool thing about market structure is that if we study how the price has moved in the past, so for example, imagine that this image right here is how the price has moved in the past, this can actually give us clues about how the price will move here in the future. So for example, if you take a look at this sort of sand image right here, you can see that we have a high, we have a higher high, we have a low, we have a higher low. So isn't it, you know, reasonably to expect that the hand will move perhaps something like this in the future? This is basically what we do with market structure. We look at how the price has moved in the past to predict, you know, how the price might move in the future. And like with all technical analysis concepts, market structure can not predict 100%, you know, what the price will do in the future. Just because the price or the hand has moved like this in the past, it doesn't mean that it cannot move like this here in the future. But we have to think, you know, what is more likely? Is it likely that the hand will move like this in the future or continue here with the trend we already are in? Just to repeat here, we can use market structure to get clues about where the price is likely to go next. This video was just a very short clip from our full market structure trading course. To watch the full course, simply click or tap on the screen right here. I hope to see you guys over there very, very soon.